Hello everyone, welcome to Soul Junkies. On today's tutorial, we'll be making this beautiful flower top. It's sunny and quite hot in Nigeria, and this will be an easy DIY for you. So quickly, what you would need is the main fabric, which I choose is stretchy, slightly stretchy fabric. So you can use a non-stretchy fabric, but I believe for this project, a slightly stretchy one will do. So for our dimension, we are using our bust cup. You put a tape at the top of your chest and measure the bust to the down of bust. Whatever you get is your bust cup. And for this tutorial, we are using 8. Then this other part is your nipple to nipple measurement. You just had half an inch for sewing. Your nipple to nipple, if it's 7 inches, you divide by 2. Remember the paper is on fold, so you take half of it. Half of your nipple measurement is what you had today, and then you had half inch seam allowance. Then at the bottom, I'm going to be folding over the rim, so I added 1 inch. You can add half, but for safety, just add 1 inch. So I added 1 inch to the length, not the side. So that's what you have. Then the next, this is for the bust. This pattern is for the bust, left bust and the right bust. So for this particular bust pattern, we're going to be having 2 pieces. Don't forget the flower top has 6 pieces. 2 pieces for the bust and 4 pieces for the other part of the blouse. 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, making 6. So this is me just drawing out that pattern. Then I'm taking out 1 inch from the length, making it 1 inch shorter and making it 1 inch less wide. I'm reducing the width by 1 inch. So this is basically the pattern for the project. So it is just as simple as I said. So note that you need 4 pieces for this. 4 pieces of the main fabric and 4 pieces for the lining. And if you are using the fabric as the lining, which I did for mine, you have for the bust you have 4 pieces, and for the other part you have 8 pieces. I hope it makes sense. 4 pieces main and 4 pieces lining. So you have 8 pieces for the other part and 4 pieces for the main part. Now let us get sewing. I cut straps, 4 straps for the other pieces of the cloth. Then I added a loop for the bust pieces of the top. The bust pieces has a loop where the rope coming from the top part is going to be passed through, so it can hold at the back. So let's get sewing.